And here we have little Ethanos eating his first vegetable.
What is this?
Broccoli and a third of an apple.
I thought you said that you could.
I could do broccoli. I can do broccoli. And he is loving it up in some.
Etano, Etano, Etano!
Ethanos loves him some broccoli. Wow.
Grandpa was the first to give him his vegetables and fruit.
Grandpa bogarted a bit, but we'll let it slide.
Yeah, we couldn't wait. See, we couldn't wait. It's all about.
Say,
it's
Mama
all
had
about
to put on a
speed.
t-shirt.
Like on your nose. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright.
Wow. Ethan loves it.
Just not do
Oh my gosh. He's like,
This stuff is serious.
So is. So, my battery's going low. I need to charge it up. Yum. That little creation. See, Mom knew what she was doing.